Are you familiar with the feeling when your hands go numb? Most people immediately think about nerves or blood vessels and start treating those. But what if the problem lies somewhere else? What if the numbness is simply a cry from your tired muscles? Muscles you rarely think about in everyday life. Imagine your neck and shoulders as a complex system of muscles. When some of them become overstrained, they begin to compress nerves and the hand goes numb. Would you like to forget about discomfort and feel lightness in every movement? Then watch closely. If you're tired of numbness in your hands and are looking for a simple solution, this video is for you. Today, we will cover not only simple exercises to relieve tension, but also proven traditional methods whose effectiveness has been confirmed by scientific research. You will learn how therapeutic baths and contrast procedures can quickly ease your condition. In the end, you will have a complete set of instructions to restore lightness and comfort to your hands. This video contains no boring theory, only practice, simple exercises, and practical instructions that truly work. Watch until the end. There will be many important discoveries. Let's restore lightness and comfort to your hands. So let's begin. You have probably woken up with a numb hand or felt tingling after long hours of desk work. In most cases, this is not dangerous. A little movement is enough, and the discomfort goes away. However, be attentive. If numbness appears often and without an obvious reason, it is a reason to think. Your body may be trying to tell you something. This problem does not depend on gender. It affects both men and women, but age does matter. Young and active people may experience numbness due to overstrain. Those over 40, due to age-related changes. And the main cause is a painful neck, which most often manifests in adulthood. Often, the hand goes numb due to an uncomfortable posture. You have sat or stood in one position for too long, or slept on your arm. Blood cannot flow properly through the vessels. But once you move, circulation is restored and the numbness goes away on its own. However, be careful. Sometimes this symptom is a sign of more serious problems. For example, when a nerve is compressed somewhere in the body, or when blood circulation is impaired not only in the arm but throughout the body. If numbness occurs frequently and without a visible reason, it is a signal that your body needs help. A serious reason to take action. The following symptoms may seem ordinary, but if you notice at least 2 of them, it is already a serious reason to act. Check yourself. Numbness rarely comes alone. It is usually accompanied by other unpleasant sensations. You may feel pins and needles, as if hundreds of tiny ants are running along your arm. Muscle weakness may appear, making it difficult to hold even a cup of tea. Sometimes there is a burning sensation or itching that cannot be relieved. The skin on the fingers may feel foreign and tight, as if compressed. Stiffness of movement appears, and pain may radiate to the neck or shoulder blade, indicating the true source of the problem. When your hand goes numb after an uncomfortable posture, it is not dangerous. A little massage, some movement, and it passes. But there is numbness that should not be ignored if it lasts a long time or returns again and again. This means there is a more serious problem in the body. Ignoring this signal allows the condition to progress. For example, prolonged numbness and pain can lead to muscle weakness and atrophy in the arm. Even surgery may not restore full strength later. And if the problem is vascular, the consequences can be even more serious. In severe cases, it may even lead to thrombosis. So remember, frequent numbness is not just discomfort. It is a real cry for help from your body. What should you do so your hands don't go numb? The answer is simple. Give rest to the tired muscles of your neck. Special exercises can help with this. They gently stretch and relax muscles that are tense without you even noticing. When the muscles relax, they stop compressing the nerves. Blood flow and nerve signals begin to pass freely to your hands, and the numbness subsides. We will now show you these simple and effective exercises. But first, listen to one important piece of advice. If an exercise feels difficult, that is absolutely normal. Do not rush and do not force yourself. It is better to do fewer repetitions, but with quality and without pain. If you feel discomfort, reduce the range of motion or take a break. Remember, your goal is not a record, but regular and gentle care for yourself. The main thing is to start and do what you can. Each time it will become easier and better. Trust your body and give yourself time. Also remember this simple rule. You cannot eliminate a problem without understanding its cause. It's like trying to fix a car without knowing what's broken. The same applies to hand numbness. Before starting exercises or procedures, it is important to understand what exactly disrupted circulation in your case. It may be muscle tension or something entirely different. Acting blindly may not help and can even cause harm. Exercises that help. Exercise 1. Self-massage of the neck and shoulder area. Place your palms on your neck and shoulders. Begin gently rubbing this area. Movement should be calm, without strong pressure. Do not pull the skin, focus on warming the muscles. Feel the pleasant warmth. Now let's relax this area even more. Shoulder rotations. Start one shoulder at a time. Right shoulder forward, then left. Right, left, 10 times each. Make the circles as wide as possible. Toggle shoulder blades moving up and down. Repeat the same movement in the opposite direction. Then rotate both shoulders together. Wide circles forward 10 times. Next exercise. Get on all fours. Place your palms directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Stretch the crown of your head forward, as if you want to become longer. Remove the lower back arch and tuck the tailbone under. Now, gently move your head from side to side, as if saying no. Keep stretching the crown forward. Make sure your shoulders do not rise toward your ears. Lengthen the neck instead. Move slowly and smoothly. Do not forget to breathe. Return your head to the center. Imagine your chin is a small scoop. Slowly draw it down along your chest. Then rise upward, stretching through the crown. Do not throw your head back or compress the spine. Repeat this movement 10 times. Hand and wrist exercise. Extend your arms in front of you. Begin moving your hands and fingers freely, following what your body suggests. Feel the movement, the skin, every point beneath it, in the hands, fingers, and forearms. Rotate your wrists. Gently spread your fingers. Turn your hands outward as far as comfortable. Let your imagination guide you. Focus on sensations and breathe calmly. This completes the exercise set. Traditional methods. If your hands go numb, you could try simple traditional remedies. Warm hand baths work very well. They can be made with decoctions of birch buds, oak bark, or aspen bark, or simply with contrast water. To prepare the decoction, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of dried buds or bark, pour a glass of boiling water over them, and let steep for 30 minutes. Strain and add the decoction to a bowl of warm water. Soak your hands for 15 to 20 minutes. For results, do this daily for 1 week. If numbness persists, continue daily for up to 1 month. The effectiveness of warm baths in reducing hand numbness has been confirmed by studies published in the journal BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine, a British scientific publication. Remember, your body is your most important lifelong partner. It constantly communicates with you through signals like numbness. Do not ignore this quiet whisper so it does not have to scream in pain. Regular self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity. Just a few minutes of simple exercises a day, combined with warm and contrast baths, can give you years of comfort. Relaxed muscles and free nerves are the foundation of a full life. You deserve to wake up feeling comfortable and energized, to work easily, hug loved ones, and enjoy every movement. Start small. Be attentive and patient with yourself. Your health is the most valuable capital you have. Invest your time and care in it every day. Give yourself the joy of movement without discomfort or limitations. You can do this. Your body is ready to help you. Love it. Listen to it, and it will reward you with a long, happy, and active life.